was that? What kind of fish was that? By the eye. By the eye. Helena there. Just like you did here.
What's that? Yeah. A stone.
What it is? Leverage, bring up his snap on up, boy. Right. Yellow tail.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You know, say your boy Eclips, you miss me. Today we have a special one again. We are going on the commercial flight, you see me? How we clear there? So, sorry. Starlight right there. So we are back to the Starlight. See it there? Yeah. Sorry. Yes, so Leverage Nation, we're there. And we're up on the Starlight. I go do some fishing. I go out there so like how we do before, you know. So you know, we're there. Who there? Clear
there.
You see me?
You know, I think of people. Leave a like right now. Comment, share, subscribe. You don't know that one I go epic. Look on the water, clean and blue. See if we can get some deep sea fish, some snapper, some king. I don't know anything we can catch we take today, is it? So just lock in, stay tuned. As I just say, comment, share, subscribe, leave a like, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? Stay tuned.
Alright, so that is it, Leverage Nation. You see me? All who never watch the first one, and me and Dam would go. And yeah man, this is a smaller boat, man. Yeah. A smaller boat, this is where we go. Yeah, more than I show now a better preview of it around our front. Sorry. Yes, you see front right there. So you know leverage. Just check in and see that going to move off. You see me?
And the boat are divers.
Yeah man, I be a divers out there, so aqua there.
Big jack. Big fish have swim past right there, so brother. I don't want to put more sunlight so you can see. Yeah, like I'm swam big jack a pass. Fish always out of the marina, your dog.
Yeah man, right. Oh then, and look at, are you at this? People at this?
I'm not sure who for you know.
Look at, they have some different one man when they normally have man. Yeah man, so Leverage Nation, you know a leverage man. Just check in and see where I go on. You see me? That one I got epic. Just watch and see what we catch today. You see me? Alright. I'll show you how we move off. Yeah. You know the leverage? Alright. You see it? Watch out. Right now them they are the bait. sardine for bait.
Some shrimp and carry still, but it is what it is, you know. I bring some shrimp here. Pardon me. There's no more spots on that side. Can we fish
We got
here?
room up on the pulpit, up on the bow. There's a couple spaces up there.
Up front?
Yeah, right on the pulpit.
Alright. You got something that can cut this? You got a plier sharp enough to cut this? 'Cause this shit just came off and I'm nothing to make it stop.
I don't think I'm gonna have anything that's gonna cut that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Will it pop back in?
I'm not sure. Try it.
Oh no.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Star Line. I'm
Alex
Captain
texted me
Bill.
though. He said he
The only thing you can do is cut your leader off and just pull it through.
Your life jackets.
Alex said
And
he slept
instructions
in.
on how to put them on.
That's
It's
how
gonna be
Alex is
head
not a
along
morning
a couple
person.
parts.
I usually
Yeah.
see him afternoon
We
and
have
night.
throw rings.
Yeah, so he's gonna be here for the next
Yeah,
one.
okay.
Yeah. But I'm gonna know
If you have
where
any
we're
issues
going.
at all, just let your base know and they'll contact me. Alright guys, because we are cars to expect the best of
I'm gonna go over there, man. You see me? I'm gonna track this up. So I'm gonna have to go to you because I'm not make this stop, my brother.
Alright, your base today, Donnie and Ronnie, if you need anything at all, hooks, bait, tackle, disconnect yourself from the bottom, disconnect yourself from each other, untangle tackles, mark fish. If you get a marked fish, they're gonna remember that markers that they give you so you get your fish back at the end of the trip. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you know when it's time to fish and how deep the fish is going to go. So I can go ahead, and when we get ready to move on, you guys can reel those lines back up again. And if you're not familiar with the rods and reels, you need instructions, please ask your mates. They'll be more than happy to show you how to use them as rods and reels. Alright guys, we'll be fishing
Oh, the
just
box.
a
Empty
little
your
bit.
vessel,
It's
man.
a little rough out there. You have to know what to be on the boat when you go out the inlet. Place to place until I can see what the ocean looks like. But it is going to be a little bit rough. The valve's a little bit wet up there as well. Alright guys, sit tight, relax.
Get that book in the sun.
Just a little bit.
Oh dear. So right now, really leverage nation, we're about to leave and go out in a sea, you see me? Yeah, so you know a leverage man. See boat here pass under the bridge lift up. Yeah. Right now we come currently at Hillsborough Inlet. You see me? Yeah man, you know a leverage.
One or two mangrove. It's no poor, we come by we take it when I want to grunt. Don't know I think I'm telling you this last time when I want to grunt. You see me, kingfish, my whatever. You see me, all the fish them on the place, dog. Tuna, I not put the water because today I use 65-pound braid. So I can handle bigger fish, you see me, dog. So stay tuned, we'll see how that goes.
So alright, Leverage Nation will soon come to a stop now. Get a little wet up and thing, but at the vibes one, you see me? Oh dear. Yeah. See people are going on one side, keep the head. See boy clear it up there, so. Yeah, for your whole a rock. Reach, and
125 feet. Go ahead again if you're not familiar with the rods or reels or how to use them. Fish bowl. Yes, you can basically more than happy to show you all that goes on. Go ahead, John.
yeah, so we're all here. I never bring no rod in a clear bring few rods so the boat gear a rod. Like I say when you can watch the first video how it go. But I go find one and then just drop it, you know, and see what we catch. Drop it behind there already. Get bite already.
Probably a waves not gonna want to rub out today.
Leverage Nation, I say boat rocky. I have to know what I do when I walk on it, because I say I walk and see that. I hope I not seasick. I never think me them type of easily sick there still, but let's see, you know. Because I kind of get busy already too, you know. You know Leverage, man. Just check in and see where I go on, you see me? Out here, I'm going to drop my line soon. Although I should have been drop it, but I watch Clay and making the thing. But we must get something, you see me? You know Leverage.
I'm buying 4 hours, we have a dog. We have 4 hours, so now if you rush himself, we can drop line anytime. But we have to see what I go on with this first because it cause inconvenience in my life. So. That down there, so then
so yeah, just like explain, say oh them stop a multiple stop in the water, you see me? So this is the first stop we go and them stop. About how much stop them drive around and stop?
about No, just a couple times. Them just work based on how the fish them are operated them there so. And when I get no bite, like 15-20 minutes. We relocate find a different spot out there where more fish they are bite. And we just rotate around and around from the coastline until we find good spots. Because them a watch from the boat, you don't know so them have the little thing where I show you the terrain below you and all of that, you see me, and the movement. So I just that way I work with today. Just have to work with them, you see me. So just every 20-30 minutes make a move to a different location and just test out different spots. Look the flying fish.
Let me see.
Look, he's still on the side flyer going. Flying fish out here.
You know leverage man. So yeah man, we just there go and enjoy the moment and see what go on. A long time we not do that one so we'll do it again, you know. And we'll do it again and again and again and see what we catch, you know, just the enjoyment and the fun. So you know leverage no. Leverage nation, you know.
Yeah man, we don't forget nothing out there except with the enjoyment and fun.
Yeah, so that's a leverage man, that's always part of the leverage. You see me, so some people could not watch a video them and I say, oh, more time them boy and I catch up, you know, and then still, but here I just, that's a leverage. You see me, we enjoy ourselves, you know, say leverage to life man, leveragely, you see me.
Yeah man, can't have to do, have to know, said we say, yo, this is not just a sport, because at the end of the day we still take life, you see me, still take a animal life regardless. So I don't just a sport, you see me, if you have love for the game and respect for the game and for the game animal them, just like when we are shoot bud. You see me, so when I do anything go, lucky in stay tuned, speaking about shooting, who knows and I might get a special on that. You see me? So lucky in stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and miss it.
Yeah, if you don't miss that, cause summer I can come up, but you don't know, so the man them say Bud Bush in a senti, so you know leverage man. I shouldn't even get too much, but you don't know a thing go. Yeah man. You know just watch you go on and keep up with the thing, you see me? Yeah, alright. So watch you go on and we are showing some more drive around and thing and you know, and that's where I go on. You know leverage. So leverage nation again, it's a part of the one leader. Them have them thing up, you see me? Yeah. So I make him back in one, so holy, you keep doing everything. Yeah, see that.
So my mom got a hook on just one. You hear about surf. Because I use surf hook. The J hook them, what them have, look what them big.
Got a big fish on.
Yeah, but not with J hook dog. Circle hook me I do. Size 6 circle hook.
Whoa!
Yo, it was
Yo.
I'm sure people but I don't know that wave dog. Even with them put to over as the people are rock. My man them almost quick off I talk.
Yo. Dangerous, you know, you easy flick off, you know. And
Yeah
go.
man.
Yeah. You easy well flick off of this man.
Where water man.
Alright, so
You want a 4 hour and brother and keep up. Soon start seeing man I vomit out the belly water man.
yeah, I put back this car, Clay say no one on the Clay make film one.
Yeah, dog. Every time I use them, the one, brother, I always end up find complications and this and that. Because no in mangrove them and them not really hit it like that like a one time, brother. Alright, circle hook like this one. 30-pound leader. Kite like our V Virgin. Show how they put it like that.
Look what I talk when I struggle for walk and the man almost dropped to her.
Who almost dropped?
Yo.
Yo, go get you wave them, brother. I see what I rock it. You don't want to see man. Don't you care? I want to see him and turn up.
Don't hold on. Me and John jump over there now. Oi.
about the Instagram? Yeah.
Don't reel on that line, guys. Preschool.
Yeah, what's the Instagram?
Yeah, my
Tangle out there.
Yeah, man, something big. This side make where I sit down through man, man, something big.
Oh man, eh?
King or something, yeah.
Oh,
They
boy.
want something big game line around. And a nice
Nah, man,
a
nah,
nice
run.
pen rod. No, it stop run now because the other line crossover, but you have something funny. That's why it crossover, you know.
Oh.
Something can stop my line too. Okay, show them me.
So we don't have an exact Instagram for like the rods that we make,
Okay.
but if you want one made, we can make you one. But like, damn it, I can't. You guys want him to make you one, and he'll like put your colors on it. You guys can like, design what you can put stickers on it.
What's the Instagram? Let me see. Okay. Alright. You are.
So yeah, people, here on the Instagram for all custom rods, just check them out. So just replay the video whenever you hear it. Them are very nice rods, and you can get custom rods made.
Yeah, Leverage Boss TV. Yeah. Catch one?
It's not ready yet.
I see silver.
You got a knife?
Probably a
Come
king.
in.
You were using it.
Be serious. He's looking at how
Oh. In my run. Reeling them on, reeling me.
Comes a beta, looks like.
Uh,
Yeah, guys, still nobody reel, okay?
we're not even uh, oh, that is not his hope, that's somebody else's hope.
That's somebody else's bait. Alright, if we could try to back up, I'll try to cut that bait off.
Oh, there you go.
There's a Mac or a King.
Oh,
That's a king.
That's nice.
That is very good. No problem.
It does look like it. Kingfish. It looks like a kingfish. But I'm not sure yet. Because it's rather big.
I'm off a tired.
Check out Starlight Fishing. Check out Starlight Fishing. Yeah. This gentleman here runs. He's very helpful on the boat. So check out him. Yes, bro. On the other side. This one beside me currently up.
Still on?
Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the sea, man, I'm big enough, brother. Sea, man, dog. That fish come up and I'm a sea fish, man, dog. And the fish nice, man, dog.
One fish.
And the man fat, brother. Big enough, brother. I'm so big enough, I'm hurt and I don't, man. But that's showing you, but that's right out there. That's right out there. That's right out there.
Yeah, so right now, Leverage Nation, them tell everybody to reel up so them right just at a spot they never really hot like what they wanted. Some people catch, but them move, switch on location and turn, you know? So, yeah. Oh dear man, look where I go on. Move them and move off, you know, You hear it? Move them and move off.
Y'all say we go fix up my radar and they with the proper for me for free.
Oh.
You know, I'm sure to the channel.
Oh.
Dog asked me believe. And then, and them subscribe to the channel just now. The girl, she just search up the channel, search up, tell her, she said, what's the channel name? She said leverageboss TV. So search up and give you a sub said way, you see me? So make sure when I do the same, when I watch content and when I see likes and the comments of them, but me I see the views and go when I like, man, like up the content, man. Because when I have to catch fish, we have fun. You see me? We're just showing the whole experience. That's all we are doing. Just to show everybody the entire experience, you see me? So just subscribe and take it, leave a like, say way. That motivates you to keep going, you see me? So take that with a grain of salt. That's true. Good there, boy. 20 minutes or so. Less than 20 minutes really. And we're on to the next location. You see me?
Engine there. Boss down on top of the water this one. Whoa, sorry. Yeah.
Day breeze people.
Show them if you do it that way.
Keep your hand funny so you don't run out quick. And he have birdies. So go and let out it.
Yeah man, so we'll let it out and see where I go on. Do no that's it, no?
See you next time. We'll get that next turn.
Celebrity Nation and rage off you get back to normal. Yeah, man, we're out here. Just check in and see where you're going.
Yeah, call him, bro. Get the first victim. Somebody have a first victim.
Somebody that vomited there.
Tell your brother, I'm call him. On camera, I'm telling your brother. You just know, brother, so I'm going to go for before I was stopping while I left 10 minutes ago. I look at him now, I see it in his face now. I'm heading there, so somebody happy about it. I can't remember what tough. I'm not sure about the boy. So, ain't no gonna suppose I get picked up, get some fish now. I food to the water, I'd beat. So, I see if I get no.
Bikini bottom chamba.
him.
And I'm usually the one who gets put on.
Don't give me fish, give me fish.
Leverage Nation.
Yeah, man, yellow tail. Leverage of yellow tail. Bring up a snap on a boy. Right. Yellow tail. That's a leverage. Just like you tutorial, I'm going to rub in and see if you're going to rub in.
What's that? Yeah. A stone. Yo, what
But I win the pool in the bro. Jano. Second one. Let's see if I tell you that I'm a champion. I say, watch out. That I said television was watch out. Oh, season close. So, I'm showing you back on a group of season right now. That would have been a nice fish to bring home, but season close.
Okay, something for you black though, so pretty testing. Yeah, not a leverage.
Not a leverage. This is the guy keeping get a nice fish, isn't it? I don't know about it. I don't just get stuff to eat, but also we just enjoy this food and have a good time, isn't it? So, you know, like for that one there, leverage. What was that? What kind of fish was that? By the eye. By the eyes. Yo, so I catch sister and brother. that marks the end of the fishing trip. We're heading back to shore now. You see me? And if you stay throughout the video, leave them like, share, and all that.
Yeah. Coral Mexico and Greece. Yeah, man, so you know leverage nation. End of the boat trip. Oh, yeah. Oh, somebody sit down there, sir. Yeah, man.
So what's like in a civilian?
Ain't no breeze no there, right? So.
No. Yeah, what did I say? Respect for who come out, you see me? Watch the whole of the video. You see me? This
Yeah.
mark the end of the fishing trip. I'll head back ashore, you know.
Yeah,
But
man.
you don't know, get a couple of fish, have a good time. So for that, if you want to share, leave a like, subscribe, comment, you know what you think of.
Yeah, man, always remember for the right thing, man. You know your leverage, man. You see me, Clay don't tell you already. Today, we catch couple and put back. You see me? But grouper and everything there. But yeah, man, you know your leverage, man. Until next time. The right thing. Leverage. We're out, man. Back to shore.